we're gonna, oh yeah, we're gonna take the old girl for a spin real quick. I think it needs some gas. Does it need gas? Nope. It's fine for this little ride. Oh. Will the good old Honda need choke? I don't know. Oh, I love this little bike. It's super slow, but it's super cool. Okay, run power on. Oh yeah, duh. Need our fuel on and choke for a second. No, it's a Honda. We don't need a choke. All bikes are sick. I could have kickstarted it, but I don't want to break my leg. And as we know, these bikes will break your leg. We're going super squid today, boys, because we're just going around the block to get some good content. Oh man, this bike is so rad. Such a rad bike. So this is a 1974 Honda CB400Four, and it's a screamer with all, and I mean all, 10 horsepower. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know how much power it actually makes, but yeah, man, what a cool bike. Oh, we should probably ride into the sunset, eh? Oh, that's really pretty. We'll yeah, we'll do it up here. Oh, is that Top Gear? Oh yeah, Top Gear, baby. Woo! Oh, we're screaming. Off throttle is fantastic on this bike. Listen to this. Oh man, this thing, talk about just like a sick, like, I don't know, I don't want to say a bar hopping bike, but a bike that you just want to cruise around from like store to store on or something. Like, this thing is the way to go. Alright, well, I'm just gonna let you guys listen to this goodness without me talking. Bike this is. If you've never had an opportunity to ride a really old bike, a really old Japanese bike, you really need to find somebody with one and go ride it. I don't care what size it is. I might care what condition it is. You don't want a shitter, but just go find an old Japanese bike and just go for a cruise on it, man. Like, this is the feeling right here. But the Ducati cannot even compare to this. Just a nice, like, cruise, open your mind up. I feel like I need, like, my shirt sleeve rolled up and a pack of Marlboro Reds in there. Ah, what a cool sound. You know, there's no stabilizer back in the day for this thing, so when you let off, it starts to do a nice little wobble. It's very raw. It's very raw. I could listen to this bike forever. I don't even want to talk too much. It's such a cool sounding bike. This bike is also, it's very period correct. It's actually, my pops bought this bike, I mean, a long time ago. And the turn signals, front and rear, are all shortied. The foot pegs are cut in half. It's got turn downs that are kind of at a weird angle, and they kind of hurt your wrist. I think actually what hurts my wrist is that I got to reach up for the clutch and brake because of how the wires are run. It's got it does have an exhaust. I'm not sure what brand. It does have an exhaust. This is I think this is actually the first bike I ever rode on too, I think. Oh, it is neutral. None of these lights work, unfortunately. What else? Yeah, I'm not sure what else. It's only, it's got one mirror. You can see my fat ass in it. It's got old school grips. It's still got the kickstart in it, which I haven't actually used because it does have electrical start as well. So, oh, it's got sweet filters, almost like ITBs off the carburetors, but it's not that. It's still like the bike is not chopped up like a lot of the cafe racers seen has been. Oh man, look at all these old cars. What did I stumble into? Dang, look at this sweet show. Awesome. Bunch of really old cars. I can appreciate cars. As you know, I have my Mustang. Oh, it says Bama Gang. I think wasn't Bama Gang old NASCAR group? I can't remember. I'm pretty sure Bama Gang was like a bunch of old NASCAR drivers. They called themselves the Bama Gang, I think. I don't know. I don't know much about NASCAR, boys. That's actually pretty accurate. My speedo is pretty accurate, I guess. My eyeball really itches right now. I gotta itch it. That feels so much better. Whew. I don't know why I was afraid to scratch it. I was acting like I can't scratch it. We all know I can scratch my eye. You know what would really complete this? Some leather gloves and a leather jacket, boys. Oh, can we beat that car? We're gonna beat that car. Alright. Oh, should we do it? No, I'm such a child. Oh, there's a big bridge coming up here. But I think we're gonna forego the bridge. I'm not gonna go to the bridge. I'm gonna go show you guys Amazon that they're building out here. I love this thing. Peace out, dog. Oh, what a dope sunset. I should have brought my drone. Some videos of this thing in the sunset. That would have been sick. Oh, this bike is sick, man! The only thing about this is, like, you can't really ride with other people. I've tried to ride with other friends before, but, you know, other bikes are so much faster that when we get out there cruising, they're waiting at stop signs for you, so that is one downside. If you are going to get one of these bikes, make sure you got a squad of friends that also have the same bike so that you guys can ride together or just ride by yourself. And there's nothing wrong riding by yourself. Oh goodness, the road closed sign was down, so that means road's open. Oh, here we are. There's the Amazon sign. Look at that. Let's go in. Let's go in. There's no, Oh, yo, is there a bus stop in Amazon? No way. There's a bus stop here? That's sick. I did see that stop sign, and now I'm going the wrong way. Yo, this is huge! Holy cow! Oh, we gotta angle it this way. Let's turn the key off so we don't kill the battery. Cause your boy almost killed it earlier. Let's get on the center stand. I think it'll look sick on the center stand. Do it for the gram, boys. What a cool bike, eh? I love this thing so much. It's not perfect. It's got its scratches and bumps, but it's pretty sick. I guess we can just cruise out there, eh? Oh goodness, missed that speed bump. Why do I keep going down the wrong way? Every single turn I make is the wrong way. Well, I guess because it zigzags. I'm the idiot. I am the idiot. Man, so cool. It's really great for the economy here too. Oh gosh. Whoop. We're not getting out that way. Well, I guess we can go like this. Zip. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh wow. Look at the storage facility too. Oh. Or the, not storage, truck area. Oh dang, what the heck is that? Another one? Wow. Well, folks, that's Amazon. Somehow this simple, hey, let's go ride a bike has now turned into a semi-moto vlog on the CB. Oh. Well, folks, that's gonna wrap it up. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I still have to figure out a new way to mount my microphone, because what I got now, I know the bike's really loud, so I don't even know if you can hear me this whole vlog, but I gotta mount the microphone differently for the coming vlogs. So slow down. I gotta mount the microphone differently for the coming vlogs so that you can hear me. But thanks for tuning in again, guys. I'm about to be out of town for a while on some work, and then got some family plans when I get back, so I'll probably want to upload a video for a little while. But when we do come back, we'll do a review on the Ducati up in the mountains. Now, if that doesn't sound fun, then I don't know what is. So we'll talk to you guys later. Peace.